Have you ever tried making your own vegan cream cheese? If you like vegan and plant-based alternatives to cheese and dairy, I think you're really going to love this cashew cream cheese with cranberries. So all you're going to do is take equal parts cashews and almond milk, or soy milk if you prefer, and soak the cashews overnight with half a tablespoon of oil. I put some cinnamon, nutmeg, and monk fruit sugar because I'm going to make it a sweet cream cheese. Then you're going to cover the bowl and put it in your fridge up to 4 hours. I left it overnight. Then the next day, just pour the whole thing in your blender or your food processor and blend it. Get it as smooth and creamy as possible. My food processor could have done a better job making it more smooth. Honestly, I probably should have drained the milk first, then blended the cashews, and then added the almond milk back in. But I didn't do that, and so it was a little chunkier than I would have preferred. Maybe if you have a NutriBullet or just like a blender that's really good at smoothing out and pureeing ingredients to make it as just creamy smooth as possible. So then I added in about a half a cup of cranberries. Another great flavor would have been dates. I would have used dates if I had some, but I was out. Cranberries are just as good, add some tartness. I blended again with the cranberries in just to get the flavor mixed in. Then I poured it back into my bowl because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some tapioca flour. Just about 2 tablespoons. You can use tapioca flour, cornstarch, almond meal, whatever you have on hand, and just stir that in really well. This is going to help thicken it up into a cream cheese like texture. So I covered it up again and I put it back in the fridge for 4 hours. Voila, bon appetit. It was really thick and really creamy. I busted out my English muffins, spread some cream cheese on top. It's a great vegan cream cheese alternative. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my channel.